Stoic by Cindicator pricing explained what you get for your money. Stoic by Cindicator isn't just another crypto app. You won't believe how it combines AI-driven insights with hands-off investing. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's purely automated without transparency, but the surprising truth is Stoic offers detailed analytics and strategy control for a crypto portfolio. The free version provides basic portfolio tracking and access to community insights, while the premium plan costs $99 per month and unlocks a managed portfolio allocation, automatic rebalancing, and historical performance analytics. Most people underestimate how much this AI technology helps reduce emotional trading mistakes while keeping your portfolio diversified across top-performing cryptocurrencies. Stoic supports major exchanges, so trades are executed directly from your account without transferring funds to third parties. You won't believe how seamless this integration is. It's like having a professional crypto strategist managing your investments. Plus, you can set risk preferences and allocation strategies tailored to your goals, from aggressive growth to conservative income. In conclusion, Stoic by Cindicator pricing offers excellent value for hands-off crypto management combined with educational insights. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, the app's AI features and transparent tracking tools help make smarter investment decisions without constant monitoring. For less than a month, it's a practical way to optimize your crypto portfolio efficiently.